Sup people, here I am, just about to type live in there, just about to run this contest for Clint. What do we got? Another box of Crusade. So there's the time in the corner, but there it is there. Just copy the list. Copy. Paste. So there's the list there, guys. Good luck, everybody. Just show the clock again. Let's roll some dice. What do we got today? We're going 9 times. 9 times, ladies and gentlemen. Best of luck, everybody in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got Lee on top, Lee on the bottom. Just to refresh your memory, definitely 9 times. There's the clock again, 9 times. Best of luck, ladies and gentlemen. And boom. The winner is John. Congratulations, John. Just type done in here and that's that video done and dusted. Cheers guys, see you soon.